Hello my dear students. So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, the seed of truth. But before starting the lesson there is a warm up exercise for you all, and here are some good qualities that every human being should possess. Okay, so you have to choose any one of those qualities and think about it, that why that quality is important and why we must possess that quality. Okay, now let's start reading. So reads about a boy who was rewarded by the king for a special quality he had. So this story is about a boy, and that boy was given prize by the king of that kingdom for a special quality. Okay. Now what is that quality? We will come to know about it by reading this story. Long ago, Gandhara was ruled by the just and good king Vidyadhara. His subjects were very happy, but as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. The king did not have any children who could take over the reign of the kingdom after him. So this story is about a kingdom, and the name of that kingdom was Gandhara, and it was ruled by a very honest and fair king, and the name of that king was Vidyadhara. So his subjects, that means the people of that kingdom, they were very happy as they had a very good king who took good care of his subjects, but everyone was worried. Why they were worried? Why the people of that kingdom were worried? Because that king, he didn't had any children. Okay, and then they were worried that when the king will pass away, then who will be the next king or prince. Okay, now the king was an avid gardener. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees and vegetables. One day, after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed, "I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the kingdom. The one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince or the princess." So children, the king, he was a very expert gardener. Avid means a very expert gardener. He was very interested in gardening, and that's why he was a very expert gardener, and he spent a lot of his time taking good care of his plants, and he planted the finest flowers, fruit trees and vegetables in the garden. Okay, in his garden he had planted the finest trees of flowers, fruits and vegetables. So one day while he was working in his garden, he announced that, proclaimed means announced. He announced that I will distribute seeds to the children in the kingdom, and that child who will grow the biggest and healthiest plant within 3 months, I will adopt that child and he will become the prince or the princess of the kingdom. Okay, now the next day there was a long line of anxious parents and children outside the country. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Now everyone wanted to become a prince or a princess. Okay, so there was a long line in front of the palace of that king, and the parents and children, they were very worried that now what will happen. Okay, they were very worried, and everyone was eager, and even they were all interested also to know now what is going to happen. Everyone was eager to get the seed and grow the best plant. Everyone wanted the best seed, okay, so that they could grow the best plant out of that seed. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was among these children. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in his backyard. He took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. Some weeks passed and he plied it with water and manure, but the plant did not appear. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot, but even by the end of 3 months, nothing happened. Now what happened, children? In that line, there was a poor farmer's son, and his name was Pingala. He was also standing in that line, and he also took the seed from the king. Okay, he also got the seed from the king, and like the king, he too was fond of gardening. That means he was also very interested in gardening, and he had grown many beautiful plants in his backyard. Backyard means the area which is behind the house. Okay, in his backyard he had grown many beautiful flowers, and he also took the seed from the king. And just now what did he do? He took the seed from the king and planted it in the pot with great care. So he was very excited, and he planted that seed in a pot and took good care of that seed. So some weeks passed, and he plied it with water and manure. Now after some weeks had passed, what did he do? He kept watering the plant whenever necessary, and he also added manure, that is the waste of animals and plants, which is used to enrich the soil, which is used to boost the growth of the plant. Okay, so he added water every day, and he also added manure to that seed, but the plant did not appear. But what happened? There was no growth of that seed, there was no sapling, nothing came out of that seed. Pingala tried changing the soil. Now what did he do? He changed the soil. Now how he changed the soil? He transferred. That means he shifted that seed from one pot to another, as he thought that might be the seed is not getting proper conditions to grow. So he changed that seed and transferred it to another pot. But even by the end of 3 months, nothing appeared. But still, there was no growth. Nothing appeared out of that seed. Okay, there was no growth. No sapling came out of the soil. At last, the day came when all the children had to go to the king to show the plant they had grown. They started walking to the palace, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hands. Only Pingala stood sadly, watching them go by. Pingala's father had watched his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. "Why don't you go to the king with an empty pot?" he suggested. "At least he will know you tried your best." Now what happened? Finally that day arrived. That day came when all the children had to go to the king to show the plant which they had grown. And all those children, they started walking to the palace, and they were dressed in their best dresses. They dressed themselves, and holding the beautiful plant in their hands, they started walking to the palace. Only Pingala, he was standing sadly. Okay, stood sadly means he was very sad, and he was standing quietly, very sadly, very upset, and he was watching all those children passing nearby him. Okay, now Pingala's father, he was observing his son for the 3 months when he was working hard to grow that seed. So he was feeling very sorry for his son. Now his father suggested, his father, he advised him that why don't you go to the king with this empty pot? At least he will know that you tried your best. At least the king will know that you tried your best. So children, even our teachers, our elders also suggest us that we should do our best, we should try our best, and we should not think about the result that will follow. Okay, so in the same way, his father also suggested him that you should go with this empty pot to the king, and you should not worry about the results. Okay, whatever will happen, you just leave it. Okay, leave it to the king. At least the king will know that you have tried your best in you put all your efforts to grow the plant. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and rest of the lesson we will study in the next class. Okay children, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.